Hello and welcome to Feasibility.pro. Hope you are doing well. In this part of the video, I'm going to explain you the concept of negative IRR. And can you get a negative IRR in real situation? And if yes, in what situation? And what does it mean to have a negative IRR? So let's get started. This is an Excel problem which I have just constructed here. So this is the cash flow, and by purpose I have kept the total of this as negative to see what is the IRR here. So we'll calculate the IRR by using simple IRR formula, IRR, and we just put the values without any guess and we just see. So we get a negative 2.6 IRR. Just to make sure that this IRR is correct, we will calculate the present value and we will see or also we can calculate the NPV actually. So if we calculate the NPV is equal to, we just say minus this plus NPV, and the rate is this and the values are this, and we say yes. Oops. So we just say this and we get 0. So that means the Excel has calculated the correct IRR and there is no further need to calculate this present value. But the question arises, in what situation you can get negative IRR and what does it mean to have negative IRR? Obviously, the thing is that negative IRR indicates that the sum of post-investment cash flow, which is this one, and the sum of this 560. So this is less than the initial investment, and hence the total net cash is negative. In both theory and practice, we can get negative IRR, and it means that the investment loses money at the rate of negative IRR. So in this case, if you see, the negative IRR is 2.6%, which means you are losing money at 2.6% per year for this duration you are invested, and this is the amount you will get for this initial investment you have. Hope you enjoyed this video about negative IRR. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. You can also download the file from the description. Thank you.